Okay, we're in. Let's see how we do. If we fluctuate down, I'm out. Okay. Okay, trade stops, trade stops. I don't even know what that is. Trade stops. Trade stops, trade stops, trade stops, trade stops, trade stops. Okay. Gonna go break even here. Let's see how we do. Okay, trade stops. Trade stops. Trade stops. Come on. I'll leave it here. We'll try stops. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Okay, we're done. $343. So good trade, good trade. I'll do the breakdown in a second. I just need to get a few things done here. All right, let's do the breakdown. Sorry I couldn't do it right away because I had stuff to do. I was running around and yeah, look at that. Look at the sniper exit on this trade. In fact, I'm part of the little community. I was one of the only ones that took this W. That's just to show you that mindset is not only everything. I would say trade management. I can say trade management is from 50 to 75% of your trading if you wanted to be a winner trader. Because again, I made $343 or so. A lot of people took $900, $700, $500 loss because of trading management. So look at that, beautiful, 19 pips full, and then I had 16 partials there. So that was a beautiful trade. That was a beautiful trade. Let me show you here on the graphics. Yeah, so that was pre-New York. Today's December 1st. That trade was taking right here. You see the two positions right there, right? So it was very good, very good trade right there. The week of this candle. Yeah, just to show you again, to prove that trading management is it's a lot to do with your if you're successful or not. You gotta be able to hold when you need to be to hold. You need to let it go when it's a losing, or you need to take base hits. Take base hits and be trade safe. Move stop loss when you're on profits. Don't fight the trade. If you have the bag, grab the bag, and then in the end is the base hits every day, hitting those base hits and then accumulating. Is the book Compounding Effect. Have you heard about book Compounding Effect? That's a very good book, by the way. It's like every day $200, $300, $400, $500 here and there. It compounds, right? And in the month you have like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 extra, right? On my previous videos you saw that I took $1,500 about US on my first payout doing this trading, right? So I'm gathering data on my Notion here. So this is only for this month. So I had one loss so far. And 4 wins. I think I had one more loss. Let me see here on my Top Step account. Yeah, I'm up $1,000, so I need to get to 3,000 to pass this combine. Yeah, so through two losing. Actually, this one was a break even. So yeah, it was one loss last month, one big win here last week, and then this week I started the Monday with very good. So let's go directly to this, explain this trade. So again, pre-New York time, usually it's less volume than New York Open, but you can still see a lot of volume. So we had this move down from 7 o'clock in the morning, 6:30, all the way down. We saw that we broke this major support, and then as you know, the next candle we came right back up. So it was like a big fake out. So usually we see this as a good trade when we get a very nice bullish closing above that resistance now right here. So all I needed to do was a very good bottom wick. So we got the bottom wick. We had a little top wick here. So I entered at the break of that top wick here. You can go back in the video and see the trade live if you didn't see it. As soon as it broke the top of the wick, and then that's it. Then I kept trailing stops all the way to 16 pips or so. I took partials right there, and then moved my stops to BE here. And then as soon as it pushed more, and then I kept trailing stops, and then I got the W. As far as the higher time frame correlation here, we can go to the 30 minutes. It's hard to see right now. Let me see on the 4 hour. 4 hour was coming down. It was right on this candle here. Actually, yeah, 4 hours. It was coming from this candle here, bearish candle. We pull up on the bullish candle, hit that resistance here. When it comes out to 1 hour, when we had this fake out, I saw the opportunity on the fake out. So I saw the fake out. I saw they close above that area here, the major area, and then that's very simple trade, right? There is no complicated thing here. Right? So it was a fake out right there, right? You can see it. Let me mark here for you. Yeah, right here. See the fake out right there, and as soon as it closed above, I entered the next candle. And that's the reason why I like trading, getting my base hits, and grabbing the bag, because market, you can never trust them. Not trust the market, but the market. If you're greedy in this market, in this business, you're never gonna make it. You gotta do your base hits. You gotta follow your strategy, and then again, trading management. I was like, I don't know how many people were there, but only I don't know if it's the only one, but only one that posted a W on today, because we got those pips and reverted right away. Look at how it melted right away, right? So it melted, it pushed it up, and then it melted right away. So trading management, if you know how to trade manage it, no matter the strategy, my strategy is very basic, but I know how to do the management, and then you can win, and then you can start seeing W's, right? But it's at the end of the day, it's a business that you gotta show up every day. Either is a win, either is a loss. You gotta show up every day. You gotta have, put your time into the charts. You gotta see how the market moves, and you gotta learn how to manage it. If you know how to do those things, you don't have to have the craziest strategy. You don't have to have all those lines and all those waves and whatever. All I do is place the support and resistance and see what it breaks, what it closes, and put my trade. And then once I'm in, I know how to manage. Right, so right now I'm about from 80 to 90%, depending on the month, 85% win rate trader. My IR is negative, but that doesn't matter because I know how to manage. And if I win 8 out of 10 trades, even if I get a bigger loss once in a while, my base hits is gonna take over in the next 2 to 3 trades. So I'm okay with a bigger loss. So I've been profitable like that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Follow for more content like that. I wish you trade safe, stay safe. God bless you. See you next time.